Have you ever thought about that learning English language can actually help you to improve your mental health well-being? Have you ever thought about that learning English language can actually act as a productive distraction from all the daily routine stressors? If yes, then well and good. And if you do not know how to do that or how does it work, so do watch this video. Has it ever happened with you that you were asked a question in a social or professional setting, but you were not able to answer that question just because you didn't know how to speak English language? Yes, it hurts. And that's why we say that learning English language can actually improve your mental health well-being. How is this so? Because it will allow you to boost up your self-esteem. You will have self-confidence and automatically you would be able to communicate with the people in social and professional settings. And that's how you would gain the self-confidence and automatically it will affect your mental health well-being. Learning English language is not about just communication, but when you communicate with the people, so you will gain the confidence. And that's why we say that learning English language can actually boost up your confidence level. So if you are an extrovert like me, you love chatting and interacting with the people, but assume that you do not know how to speak English language. So how would you be able to make social connections? Obviously, it would be really challenging for you. So what would you do in that situation? Obviously, you will start learning English language. So that's why we say when you work upon your English language skills, when you start learning how to speak English language, so you may join any group of native speakers as well. And automatically there would be many doors open for you. Many opportunities will be open for you for your future professional life. So that's why we say that learning English language improves your mental health because you would be able to make your social connections. You will have many friends with whom you can share your feelings and automatically it will reduce the feeling of loneliness. Obviously, it will reduce your stress. How about a new concept? Do you know that you can actually practice mindfulness through the process of learning English language? That's something unique. So, to those people who are unaware of the concept of mindfulness, so mindfulness is basically an activity, or you can say it's a practice in which you try to focus in your present. You just forget about everything which was in your past or which will happen in your future. You just focus in your present. So, you can actually practice mindfulness through the process of learning English language. How is this so? You can easily do it because when you will start learning the process of English language, you will learn some sets of vocabulary. You will learn the grammar portion. You will focus upon the conversation between two people. And in that way, you will reduce the overthinking process. You will have no time to think about your past. And similarly, you will never think of your future, like what will gonna happen to you in your future. But you will just focus in the present. You will learn the vocabulary part, the grammar part, or you will join a group, you will interact with the people, and in that way you will focus in your present. Wow, that's something unique. Yes, but you can actually do it. You can practice mindfulness through the process of learning English language. So has it ever happened with you that you were feeling down about something and you just simply wrote it down? You wrote down that how were you feeling? You expressed yourself, and after expressing yourself, you instantly felt good. Has it ever happened with you? At least it has happened with me. I think that it happens with everyone almost. Have you ever thought that why does it happen? Yes, it happens because when you express yourself on the paper, so you write down everything, whatever you feel without being judged. Like you do not know what is right or what is wrong, you just simply write it down, whatever you feel. So writing is a very good way to express yourself that how are you feeling. So for example, if you are learning English language and at the same time you are feeling bad about something or there is a phase in your life because of which you are not feeling good or you are feeling down, so just try to simply express yourself or how are you feeling, express your emotions in English language, because learning English language and expressing yourself at the same time, it could be therapeutic. So why not do that? It could really reduce your stress. Now it's your turn to mention that one advantage that according to you is really advantageous, because if you start learning English language, so in that way it will gonna improve your mental health well-being. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more. And please do comment down your answers, like the question that I asked you, because the amount of the comments I will receive, after that I will gonna decide that am I supposed to provide you more content like this or not. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.